now that we have our console log, we can see we can actually put in our item from our form. So we don't really need this guy. We're going to take it out. So now we're going to we need a token. Laravel uses a CSRF token, so we need a token. We can just call it token and equals to I think value, or let's not just use value, because if you're using Blade, you should be able to call in the CSRF token. CSRF token, I think this is the right guy. So now let's see data to JSON objects. So we'll be able to do let data equals to JSON update. So we'll pass a token here. This is how Laravel sees the token from the backend. Let's say from the endpoint. So we'll say token equals to token. Then we'll now pass item equals to item. So now I think we're set. So we'll be doing a post request. So we can call a post request that say creates tags. Create tags. I think we don't necessarily need this guy. That's been encoded on our data. So next thing we have to do is to let's not to make sure that it actually went. So we just have to console log it. See, console log the data here to see the results. Then text status to see our text status if it went through. So we can save. So all I have to do is recall, I think recall here. So I have to go create this route right now. So you open your web.php, forget about all this guy. Actually, I don't need it. So we're gonna create a new route. So I think it should be your post routes. The post routes, and I think it should be your slash create slash tags, taking an action of tags manager controller, or let's say tags response controller at create. So when we hit this method, we want it to create a tags for us. So we don't have this guy here, so I'm going to come to my terminal and create the tags controller. You can see so let's say I open a new terminal. So I do PHP, I think. Just see the test. Test is the name of the app I'm working on. So I can just say PHP at some make make controller. Sorry about that. So when we make the controller, I think will help us make the controller using the PHP at some command. So now I think controller is created. So we can now look for our controller. I think this is our controller. You can see right here. So the first method is we want to create tags. Say tags. So we can just say our function create, takes in a request, type hints in. Okay, I think it's not really a big deal. You can go to the Laravel documentation to get the requests, the type hints in. Like you can read more about it on PHP, just a normal PHP comments and all that. So let's say we click on our tags, or let's say new tags equals to new tags. So in real time, we don't have this model yet. So we're going to create a new model called tags. So we're going to create a new model called tags. So now we're going to go to our console. We're going to do PHP at make model tags. I think I need to increase the screen a little bit. Maybe that's when we add a dash m now. It will create a migration file for us where we can also migrate our tags to our database. So when we click this, I think it creates the model and also creates a migration file for us. I think we are good there. So now can actually use tags. So now we don't actually know what the kind of tags we want to create. Maybe we want to create a tags with some custom functions. Let's say what does the tags looks like? I don't even know. So let's say this is our tax migration table here. So we say tax table, so string, the tax name should be, let's say, the name of the tax. Let's duplicate, and let's say the status of the tax. I think we go to this. Okay. I think this one is good. The status now we'll be using to check if the tax has been completed or if the tax is newly created, or if the tax is cancelled, or if the tax is deleted, or if the tax is truncated. So this status will be driving from one logic to another. So we close this guy, then we migrate. We just do PHP tax security, I guess. I think we've done that. So let's say, let's go back to our, I think tax is still creating. So we can say here new tax goes to the name, which should be the name we are expecting. So new tax equals to the status, should be the status we are expecting. Then new tax equals to save. So now I like to keep things simple, especially maybe on the same line. Actually, I don't normally I think nobody eats the space on the file, so we just have to put everything easy. So I haven't created these two guys yet. So I need to create these two guys. Like, let me say name will be equals to what's coming in from our request. Should be the item that will pass with an adjacent. So status, since it's a new tax, we're gonna code this to let's say uh let's say let me say new, say uncompleted. Yes, when you create a new tax, it's uncompleted. So when you're done, it's completed. Okay, let's use undone and done. I think this will be better. So now here I'll start using here everything. So now I want to return a response. Let's just say data equals to array. I like to keep things simple. Status will be what will be our status will be success. Then what will be our message will be sorry about that.